Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable app notifications from popping up on your Windows 11 computer. So it could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And all we have to do is open up the search magnifying glass down in our taskbar, and then you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings listed right above app. So go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile, and then you want to select notifications and actions on the left panel. On the right side where it says get notifications from apps and other senders, if you want to turn this off, just toggle it to the off position. And then additionally, I would uncheck these additional options down here that seem not to turn off when turning the master notification setting off, which is showing new suggestions, new ways of using your computer, tips and tricks. I would uncheck all of them, honestly, if that's what you're trying to do here for the notifications. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.